This like we going to get it for real.
Yeah.
We can't fuck around with this one.
Rap battle, I really gotta go and get everybody's zombie man sticking to that wooden stick. Put them in that mouth like that toothpick to swallow spit. Everybody hear my words, something they don't really get. I can speak some metaphors, kicking in your door where your pops is on the floor and he playing with some oil. Well, think about it. This is rapping up some 2 times, rapping everybody who can rhyme was 2 rhymes.
Looking on cats like LeBron James and Wayne. I'm coming through the hood, nigga. You know my game. I gotta get in the cameraman so I can get recorded. I wish a bitch would come up and get started. We'll eat you up. We'll chew you up and spit you out, tear you up like a piece of paper, man.
We spit this verse, they sweeter than the hearse. Well, I switch it in her seat, well, sweeter than I switch it her. Rolling this switch, it look like a rapping when I smoke it. Put the fire at the end before I really choke it.
And if you don't believe it, we'll put you in the ground, man. Me and Coke together, we the crew, we the crowd, man.
Put you down, man. What you sound, man? Okay. I'm back in action now. You don't really clown, man. I'm a beast now. You don't want this dude. I'ma eat you up. I'll come to your school.
When the hammer starts spitting, we's alive, man. We's coming like a crowd. We's a band, man. Beating on the drum, hitting on my cymbal. Me Coke, like I said, you gon' remember.
Louder than a train, louder than a bang. Bang, 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 while the tracks is off your train. Stop him in his heart, well, stop him in his foot. And everybody looking at his feet like it's wood.
It's time to sweep him up. For niggas don't know my name. My name is Killer T, I'm bringing the pain. What you gonna do? You can bring your crew. I sing for niggas. What are you?
What you wanna do? I bring my crew. I bring a bill of niggas to drown you. I bring some clowns too. I bring a pig in. I bring your homies in. Let them run the brony scan. Well, shame for you. You went and leave for clue. I'm a dangerous man. You went and looking too. Where you looking boo? Let me add it up. Cause 5 fish from that 6 and 6 is up into that 7. So you is it. Well, lucky number. And you was stomach with your vomit. Where that running in the stomach. Where you running in the vomit. Where you dissect the body. Where you looking right beside me. Where is Kashi? Where I'm thinking about my August, September, December.
This insane.
1, 2, 3, 4
is together. We can turn it out.
5, 6,
we can keep it good. We can show it out. I can freestyle and sing at the same time. Bitch, put your clutch in, fit it in this silk gear. All day long like John Deere. Smoking on the gear. I can bring it back. Bring it down a notch all day. Then bring it back.
Tie had my back, kept the 100 stack. Everybody getting bigger, but it is they fat. Everybody with cats and with some black rats, some white mice come in. Then we attack. My really verses are hitting, they really switching and flipping. You really get it. My flow is getting better, We sitting down and frown. You looking like some clowns. You were never found and drowned like that underground.
Harden, keep good. I'm started. I done got hype on this track. I'm started. Let a nigga cross the line. I rip them. Cause we had a battle while ago. I get them. That's my brother, man. We gotta go light. We can't go hard unless we going to you. Coming for the ass. Beating you, nigga. Face down, break your face like some fucking glass.
I'm looking to my eyes. Yes, I saw some cries. Body homicides, maybe suicide. Dirty flies. Man, I heard them cries. I heard it everybody. They gave a couple lies. They'll never see me. I'm on that top now. And me and my brothers, we so high that we looking down. We not that rainbow. We on that high road. You wanna see this flow? Where do you go? Eyes blind, hit signs, hit them like 6 times. K2, 3, 2. While you on this fit line, I'm on this slit line. You on that really thin line. You bout to pass the great shine. He'll bring the K9.
What you wanna do? Beat sounding kinda good, man. Get you feeling in your ribs, man. Them hollow tips blowing in your body. Fucking with me, nigga, better call somebody.
Chop him in his head, chop him in his leg. Everybody said this nigga leaking red, but we talking wheel, we talking big now. You like them big wheels, we just sitting down. Chop him in his head, leave a nigga dead, call a nigga dead. Give it. Live up in the bed. You heard what my brother said? He killing this, you was bad the way. You
about to Ted Bundy, bump in the head with a little bug car. You hear what I said? I take your girl, I take him out. Even down to the sheriff daughter, take him out.
I'ma get you hype. These niggas when you won, but we won the fight.
What he saying?
This Trump would beat. We the type of nigga laugh at you while you sleep. We'll put them hoes in you like the size of a beat. And I'm a nigga like the size of a beat. You a boy killer, you don't want to see. I'm looking in your head like under the feet. When my rolling this soul in the roses, you don't want to see this dude on your toes. You get chopped from the foes. Everybody open the doors like where do you go? You just on the ground dead with some hoes in your fro.
Hey, it's a wrap.
It's a wrap. We coming back. We coming back.